Meets some Indian animals. Fern is visiting India, and she and her friend Sanjay are going into the jungle to meet some Indian animals. They are not going to drive in a car. Instead, they are going to ride on an elephant. The elephant is called Hathi. His name means elephant in the Indian language. Hathi is very kind, and he loves to eat mangoes. Hathi introduces Fern to Laylima, who is a tiger. Laylima has 3 cubs. They are very sweet. Look, a monkey is bringing Fern a present. What a pretty flower. Fern hears a very loud noise. What is it? Look, over there. It is a peacock. Peacocks are very pretty to look at, but they do not have nice voices. Next, Fern meets a rhinoceros. He does not see very well, but he can smell and hear all kinds of things. The rhino explains that there are not many rhinos like him left. Fern is very sad when she hears this. Fern sees a log floating in a lake. Wait a minute, Fern. That's not a log. It's a crocodile. It is time to leave the jungle now. Fern gives Hathi a big hug. It is not easy hugging an elephant. The end.